Honda Civic Hatchback rear seat installation. Backrest covers. Honda Civic Hatchback 40 side, 60 side. Fold down the 60 side. Pull the seat belt outwards. Place the 60 side covers underneath. Pull the car seat covers over the 60 side. Adjust the seat covers to ensure a perfect fit. Push the 3 hook and loop straps through the crevice. Feel for the straps and attach the hook and loop strap to the back of the backrest. Align the zippers and bring them close to one another. While holding the zippers close, zip the seat covers down. Attach the hook and loop to the back of the seat. Fold down the 40 side split. Pull the car seat covers over the 40 side. Adjust the seat covers to ensure a perfect fit. Roll the hook and loop fabric on the back. Feel for the straps and attach the hook and loop strap to the back of the backrest. Unroll the hook and loop attached to the back of your car seat. Congratulations, you have installed the rear backrest. Now let's install the rear bottom seat covers.
Next, pop up the rear bench seat bottom by finding the release button on the left and right sides. You will press down on the seat and then squeeze and pull the button toward you. The metal clips on the seat bottom will pop up from the elastic inserts and free the seat. Now stretch the seat cover bottom over the bench seat and line up the cutouts with the straps. You will notice 4 buckle straps. Begin to tuck them into the crevice of the seat and under the bottom. Along the sides of the center of the cover, there are elastic loops with metal clips. Feed them into the crevice and into the cutout areas. Tuck all the fabric into the crevice, and then lift up the seat bottom to begin to secure the cover. First, feed the buckle straps through the elastic loops on the left and right sides. Connect all 4 buckle clips together and make sure to adjust and tighten the straps. Then pull the elastic loops with the attached metal hooks upward and connect each one to the foam underside of the seat bottom to secure. Now set the bench seat bottom back into place by squeezing the release button, then pressing down on the seat to pop it back into place.